How to share your presets with others. First of all, open the Lightroom Presets app on your device. Browse the library and select the preset you want to share. Next, tap the share button associated with the selected preset. You will see options to share the preset via social media, email, messaging apps, or a link. Choose the method that works best for your recipient. Once shared, the other person can easily import the preset into their Lightroom app and apply it to their photos. Sharing presets ensures that your editing style can be replicated and enjoyed by others, whether for personal use or collaborative project. Now you know how to share your presets with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.